Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your October monthly reading, okay? And we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. So for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Virgos in the coming month of October. Let's see. Okay, so I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies over here. It will be a little different from the past videos. I'm going to be a little in detail over here, okay? So let's see what is there for my Virgos now. Okay, past energies for my Virgos for October month 2020, please. October. Okay, so the cards are Five of Cups with Page of Swords, Ace of Swords with Knight of Swords over here, and Six of Wands with Six of Swords. Okay, so it was always about, when this is that I'm really getting that immature energy sometimes when you start feeling that, you take some decisions really fast and then you regret. Then what happens next? So you clear some stuff with you and your person or whatever the situation is. It is always, I'm really getting that energy that sometimes if you really get aggressive over into for some issues, some petty issues, it always leads to regrets and separations. So it is, I'm really getting that thing. And but what is the good part? There were regrets, there were some immature decisions which were actually made in the past. But what is good, that you clear some things, you clear the talks, you try to just clear, and you want to talk, you communicate basically. And when you communicate, what happens? Things really get resolved. And with the Six of Swords and the Six of Wands over here, it is looking to me that when the things were really cleared off, it actually went really good. Then after that, you found success in this thing. You found that yes, I'm really ready to go, I'm really in a very good direction, I'm in the right path, just because of a conversation, just because of communication, and a very true communication. When truth comes out, it is like, it really hurts before, but after that everything is normal. So that is what was the past energies. Sadness is there, I'm seeing, because of the person being manipulative, or being the bad person whom you trusted, but your trust was broken. But at least you got the truth, and that is why you found positivity from that thing. Let's see the present energies for my Virgos. Okay, so the cards are Five of Swords and Two of Cups, the Moon and the Nine of Swords, Judgment and Ten of Pentacles. So yeah, truth being revealed, but still the whole truth is not out, I'm seeing. It's like you think that you met the one, you think that you are with someone who is really your soulmate. But with the Five of Swords with and Two of Cups, it looks like that you are with your soulmate, you are with the perfect person in your life, but still like why the things are not clear. I'm really getting that energy over here that it's not the person who is with whom you are dealing with is bad, it's the surroundings which are actually creating the chaos. You are not able to let go. See, with this nine of swords over here and with the moon, things are really not coming. You are not able to tell people about this relationship or about this whatever situation you are in. You are not able to tell anyone because you are restricted. You are feeling that your hands are tied, and sometimes you really feel that it's better to not to say anything. It's better to just keep it hidden. That is what you are seeing, because you are already moving on. I'm seeing in your past energies, you have made up your mind. You want to be successful. You want to gain attention. You want this person in your life. That is why you're hiding this person from the world. And you have made that decision to be with the one who loves you, who cares for you, and you want nothing else other than that. Let's see your future energies over here. Okay, so I'm getting that that energy where one you might be dealing with. This is a really different energy. You are involved in a relationship where you really love someone, but you always feel that this person is really hiding something, is trying to manipulate you. Yes, the hidden is, it's like where the truth, but still you cannot say. You cannot just this is different energy from before. It is that where you are really, you just, because you don't have the proofs. Basically, your intuition is talking to you. You know the truth, but still you cannot show it to people. You have to hide. I'm really getting now. Yeah, because you are involved in a very strong family issue, or you are already married to this person. So that is why you cannot tell anyone. You are just ruining your nights and days for this person, because you love this person, and this person is already dealing with someone else, of the person of yours. Yeah, see, two people. One is Queen of Pentacles and the Queen of Rods over here. So your energy, and might be dealing with a Capricorn or a Leo as well, or you have in your chart, might be. So yeah, because I'm really getting that you are not able in your future as well. I'm seeing that there is some restrictions. You feel you love this person. Yeah, you're not ready to let go this person, no matter wherever they go, but they are really interested in someone else, this person of yours. It's a third party situation over here. I'm getting it. Yeah. So what is the advice for my Virgos in this situation, please? Advice for my Virgos. Okay, we have Five of Pentacles, the Empress, and the Hanged Man. So the advice from the universe is that if you are really feeling alone, so take that time, take that alone time to grow yourself. Start seeing things in a different perspective. Okay, take a pause and give that time in whatever time you are actually devoting towards this person, like where this person would be, or what shall I do. This number I'm calling, it is coming on waiting again and again. Try to just let go, because the universe message is that try to grow yourself. Try to just give attention to yourself right now, because it will, because of all this negative energies, you might end up in something, more negative. So a very positive message from the universe: just grow yourself, love yourself, and try taking things in a different perspective. Try involving in some other activities, do other things, your hobbies, whatever you want to do, because you are really, you're always, you always want to clear stuff, I know that. But if things are really not going the way you want them to go, sometimes let's just take a pause over here. Okay, let's not enter into, let the universe handle it for some time. Okay, so that is all from my side, Virgos. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.